Ano babo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Luwin, welcome to We're in Pampanga. Guys, for today's vlog, samahan niyo po ako. We're gonna open it. Ayan. So usually ano ba yung mga binibilao? Mga pansit, mga kakanin. But this one, you'll be surprised because this is... Check that out! It's a seafood surprise from Crabs and Crabs. I'm gonna give you a quick b-roll of what we have on our Bilao, and then later on we're gonna go. Pupunta tayo dun sa San Isidro branch nila to show you guys kung ano yung mga tinitinda nila dun sa mga live seafood selling. So, samahan niyo ako. Tara! Ito na, nababo kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Luwin, welcome to We're in Pampanga. Again guys, this is the new norm of We're in Pampanga vlogging. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa labas ng Crabs and Crack. This morning, they invited us to show yung kanilang live selling ng mga seafood. Actually, available din naman yung mga cooked meals sa taas. You can actually order your cooked meals. However, may mga ibang tao, of course, they prefer some live seafood. So this is available here. Check that out. So they, clean up here. Yung mga ibang mga supo natin kararating lang, and they are unloading it from the truck. And then after that, guys, yan, nilalagay nila dun sa mga riders natin. Mga riders natin umiikot almost anywhere in Pampanga. They started this kind of live selling sa mga seafood natin as early as siguro mga second week nung nag-lockdown tayo from the COVID-19 pandemic. We're gonna have some more clips, more videos. If you have any questions or inquiries, leave them at the comment section. You know, guys, I can help you imagine, no? So, yung isang sugpo natin from tip ng tail to the tip ng toe, I think it's like more than 5 inches. Weight usually is ilang grams?
Yung ganyan, sir.
Oh.
Nasa ano yan, sir? 80 grams.
80?
Yes, sir.
80, so almost 100 grams,
Yes,
no?
sir.
So an average of like 100 grams per ano?
Yung jumbo, sir, nasa 200.
200 grams.
Yes, sir. Yung pinaka-jumbo.
So yung pinaka-jumbo, siguro yung mga ganito, yan, it will average like 200 grams. So yung price range natin, guys, for the sugpo, I think it's 700 pesos for the jumbo. The next size of it is 650. And then for our crabs, it's 800 pesos per kilo. Ayan, guys. So ang dami. These are available here. Actually, may mga iba pa silang mga tents all across Pampanga. They have in Angeles, here in San Fernando, ito rin tayo. They also have in Dolores, which is in Jenra, Jumbo Jenra Dolores. Another products from Crabs and Crack is, nakita nyo na to sa mga previous vlogs namin, guys. This is their special vinegar. Oh man, I enjoyed this so much. I don't know how they, created this, pero grabe, this is a must try, guys. And then bago sa mga products nila is yung pure homemade pure taba ng talangka. Pure taba ng talangka. Ayan. Dito natin pa. There you go. Guys, grabe. Every day, almost 400 kilograms or like ilan kasing boxes? Mga 12 boxes, ice box of sugpo na napapaubos nila dito. And I think that's one a testimony or a test that yung mga products ni Crabs and Crack for the live are, really quality. If I'm not mistaken, they have like 8 riders na katulad nito who goes all over Pampanga, kung saan may order or kung saan may delivery. If you know and if you believe in yourself that you are a good cook and gusto mo magluto ng seafood, make sure to order from Crabs and Crack. Kung gusto mo naman cook, already cooked, super satisfied, you can also order from them. So this is Crabs and Crack. Meron po silang 3 branch as of now. one in Angeles City. Shops at the Infinity. Isa rin dito sa, ayan, Primus Medicus. This is in San Isidro, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And the other one is in Jenra, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Okay, so alis na sila, ayan o. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Again, if you wanna, show off your cooking skills by cooking mga live seafood natin from Crabs and Cracks, make sure to call them, make sure to contact them. On the other hand, kung gusto mo naman, kakain na lang ng seafood from Crabs and Cracks, it is also available. Make sure to contact them as well. They're gonna deliver it to your house. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, keep safe, guys. Peace out.